What's up, good people? I recently went to Uganda and I really loved my experience there. And here's a video just to show you part of the journey and also how beautiful Uganda is. I'm Kenyan, so trust me when I say that this place is green, it is really green. And I really love the experience, especially the drive from Entebbe to, I think it's Kampala. It is very scenic, it's very beautiful, it is very green, and then they do not have so much of the story buildings. Most of their buildings are flat, especially the residential areas. And it was a very refreshing experience. I loved it so much. Ugandans, Bana, you guys are on another level in terms of hospitality. And I really enjoyed myself. And here is a video just to show you part of the experience and part of the drive from Entebbe towards Ginger. So I have done this in two parts because the video was too long. So this first part is where I'm coming from the airport to some town. It's a town, I think it's called Namugongo. Yeah, I'm 100% sure it's pronounced differently from the way I did pronounce. But hey, yeah, it was a nice experience and I'm sharing here with you. Please, if you're new here, consider to subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. And watu wangu wa Uganda, my Ugandan people, please subscribe. And I hope that I hope you just like this video. So I'll put some background music on and let's enjoy this drive together. So these guys actually stop at stop signs on the traffic. If it were in Kenya, there is nobody and there is no police, unapita tu. But yeah, their rules, they follow them, and that was quite impressive, and I really loved that. Okay, again, I'm reminding you, please, if you're new, consider to subscribe.
Do you remember when you walked away? When all of our embers became ashes of grey. But I've been going time again and time again. I hope that you will see my heart too. But you don't remember me like I remember you. Like I remember you. I've been searching for the right time, but there's never a right time, only a wrong time. And I wish I could just be honest. I don't wanna say goodbye. And if I can't fix this, I hope you believe that I tried. Do you remember when you said you'd stay? When all of our memories kept us feeling okay. I know that you've been crying again, but time again I tried my best to be there for you. But you don't remember like I remember you. I've been searching for the right time, but there's never a right time, only a wrong time. And I wish I could just be honest. I don't wanna say goodbye. If I can't fix this, I hope you believe that I tried. Missing you for a long time. I hope you believe that I tried.
I waited all year to just use this Christmas sound. It's that time of the year. So I hope that you enjoyed the video up to here, and I'll upload the second part soon. But so far, I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I hope that you have enjoyed beautiful Uganda. Please keep it here for more videos, and remember to like, to comment, and to subscribe to my channel. Bye.